There's one chaotic city in India whose reputation is built almost entirely on its food, scarcely visited by foreign tourists, and so intense that before I could even properly set up my camera I was being bombarded with food. So let's dive into this raw adventure of the food capital of India, Hyderabad. Okay, this is generally like the 12th time I've tried to record this intro because I've been stopped for photos and people. Everyone's been very friendly though, so I can't really complain. But essentially, I have a list of foods what I want to try, what are famous in Hyderabad, specifically the Hyderabadi Biryani. If we're going to try to do that, that is the mission, and it is no more than that. We may see a bit of stuff while we're going around, a bit of chaos. It is absolutely bustling here and quite beautiful, I must say. You are into old architecture. So the Mughals, or Mughals, I don't know how to pronounce it, came here, and that is why population, or the religious population of Hyderabad is also... I'm okay, bro, thank you. Yeah, the religious population of Hyderabad is predominantly Hindu, but it is about 40% Muslim. Nimrah Cafe and Bakery. So apparently this place is famous for its Irani chai. Yes, like Iran from Iran. And its biscuits. So we're going to try and get some of them now. Yeah, it's a very busy, popular place apparently in the morning. Hello, how are you?
Chai.
Yes, chai.
One chai?
Yeah, Irani chai?
Yes.
And do you biscuit?
Osmania biscuit.
Osmania biscuit, that'd be perfect, yes. Thank you. It's so busy in here though. Where are you from?
Japan.
Oh, Japan,
Yeah.
Very nice. Yes, so you're just travelling? Yeah, very nice.
Yeah,
Same.
you traveling?
Yes, yeah. Are they good?
Very good.
Nice.
Where are from?
UK.
UK. Nice.
Have you ever been?
Yeah, no. I have been. Never.
Never.
UK.
It's not very good.
Very good.
Not very good. Okay, let's get on with the review of these. So we have 3 biscuits. This one at the back here is Osmania biscuit, and then we have the Irani chai. So we'll give the Irani chai a go now. Oh, wow, definitely creamier than a normal chai. Didn't taste the spice though either, like less masala-y. I'll give that a solid 8 out of 10, I would say. Very tasty. So this one is the Osmania biscuit, and I have actually bit it when I was talking to someone without thinking subconsciously, so I have actually tried this. Oops, sorry, but here we go. Like a shortbread, almost. Be interesting to see where it actually comes from. But yeah, it does taste like a shortbread. Just a lot more airy, less buttery, but very nice. For a biscuit, I give it like another 8.5 out of 10. Slightly preferred to the chai. And then we've got these ones here. And I have no idea what these are. He brought them over as extras, so I may have been swindled as a tourist. He brought me in and he just gave me a load of stuff, so no idea how much this is going to cost. This one is green, and it's got something that looks like foil on it. Do you know the name? This? Okay. Mystery biscuit. I'll give it a go. It's bright green inside. I don't know if that's pistachio or something else, but that is amazing. 9.5 out of 10. Fantastic. I wish I knew what it was, but so good. And I'll try this one. So it's got a glazed cherry on top. And it looks a bit like a coconut macaroon, like the texture. So, we'll see. It tastes like rose. Must have like rose water in, like almost like a Turkish delight with a completely different texture. Also amazing. I give that one a 9. So my favourite is this green one. My least favourite actually the famous biscuit, and then this one. Leaving there, that was amazing. And 70 rupees. I don't know if I got. He gave me the other 2 biscuits for free, and then the other one I paid for with a chai as like a gift. He didn't say so, but obviously like the price, unless it was maybe about 10 rupees a biscuit, which could also be the case. Either way, it was a great deal. So we're just back out onto the bustling streets, and we are going to go and try find our next item. Hello.
United Kingdom.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Hello. Yes. United Kingdom. Guys, hello.
Welcome
Nice to
to
meet you.
Hyderabad.
Yes, thank you so much, bro. Amazing food.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, bro. Okay, we are going to make haste a little bit this way, or else I'll be taking photos all day. Actually, wild how friendly people are. You never want to say no because you don't know. Like, I genuinely have not seen another white person in Hyderabad. I got here 2 days ago. Hey, bro, how you doing?
Hi, then. Selfie, please.
Yeah. Okay, you want me to take? Okay. Yes. Yeah.
YouTube channel.
YouTube and Instagram. Yeah. I can give you my. Do you have Instagram? I can give you if you want. Follow a farming.
Are you from?
UK.
Are you from?
UK. Yes, UK.
One selfie, please.
Yeah, okay. This one, bro.
This man eating Bimal.
This one, yeah.
Oh, भाई साहब. इसमें एक वीडियो काट दो ना.
Yeah. You will be in YouTube.
हाथ डालो ऊपर. हाथ डालो.
Nice to meet you.
यहाँ है नहीं. Excuse me. इससे हाथ डालो.
Okay.
हाँ? एक.
Hey, bro. I'm okay, thank you. Nice to meet you. This is like follower farming. I'm gonna come out of here walking with 1,000 extra followers. But no, I'm not messing. This is actually really cool though. They've got loads. Definitely overwhelming if you're not used to it. And there is a lot of litter around. But to be fair, I did see earlier. I wasn't filming, but there was people actually sweeping stuff up. So,
Oh, hi.
sugarcane juice. Yeah, yeah. Do you use ice or no?
Yes, some get na bata. 1 glass 20 rupees. No ice.
No ice.
No ice. 1 glass.
Yeah, if you can do no ice, yeah. Thank you, bro.
Hello.
Very nice. Definitely didn't have ice either. I saw him pouring it in, so we're on to a winner. I've never had sugarcane juice. I've seen it in many countries, and it is yeah, very sweet. Probably because it's sugar, but it is very nice. Can you hold for me for 2 seconds? Yeah, this one, hold. I just get my change out so I can pay. Thank you. Most awkward change grab ever. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Thank you. Hero. We are gathering a bit of a crowd, so I'm going to make a little wiggle away, but yeah, we're going to enjoy this. I've already sang half of it. So, second thing I bought, what was not on my itinerary, I've been tempted in, but the price is so good. At 20 rupees. You know, people diss Indian street food, but if you can find stuff where it's hygienic, then the value you get, yes bro, then the value is absolutely insane. Yeah, we're going to cut through this gate here and head down here. I'm not sure what is going on, so we are going to be careful. So there's quite a lot of Muslim ladies in hijabs, so I don't want to film them if they don't want to be filmed. I'll try to be respectful. Obviously not an easy place to film because you've got stuff going on everywhere. But I will say, pretty much, people approach you all the time, but what you hear about everyone always pestering you constantly, I have not found. You know, I've been in India now for over a month, and in the south anyway, people generally haven't pestered me all that much. From Hyderabad?
Yeah, Hyderabad.
Nice. Good food.
You are coming purpose?
Hmm?
You coming purpose?
Just like tourism,
Oh,
like, you know, visit Charminar.
You are looking so good.
Thank you, sir.
You are looking like a hero. Justin
Thank
Bieber.
you, thank you.
Which live shooter? Live shooter?
Not live, like
Video.
YouTube, Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
My black, your white. इसलिए filter added.
Nice to meet you, man. Thank you so much. I noticed everyone when they were taking photos and they had this Snapchat filter on. I didn't really know what it was. If you heard then, he said, I'm black, you're white. I guess it almost like smoothed it out and brightened the image. So I looked like neon red and pink in it, like a salmon. But, hey well, who cares? The Lord has blessed us. I think this could be a bin. Hey bro. Nice to meet you.
Ice magic.
Magic.
Magic?
You magic.
You magic.
Your name?
Sheikh Hussain, ab lagte khan.
You okay? Jack. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you.
Hamare se milke acha laga.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Tum kahe bodal leg dig rahe tum kahe kehte bhi hai tum?
I have no idea.
Where are you home, brother?
My home, UK. Nice to meet you, bro. Some people are very extravagant, aren't they? Wow. The little guy was just like sweeping rubbish into my leg. So, hello. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Monu Agarwal.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Whoa. Oh my god. I've never been anywhere like this. Overwhelmed. We have found where we're going to go and we are going to try apparently a famous place for biryani. Famous place for a famous biryani, and that is Paradise. So it's fresh biryani cooked here. Thank you, sir. You have a table for biryani?
Yeah, please, sir. Please sit,
We're going to take this seat in the corner here, and you can see the view there. This kind lady is actually rolling up the blinds for us. Very nice. Hospitality in India is fantastic. Could I get a royal mutton biryani?
Yeah, sir, please.
And do you have a sweet lassi?
Yes, please.
Yeah, that's okay. Like masala, maybe the normal?
Normal masala.
Yeah, normal level. That'll be good. Yeah.
One mutton biryani and one sweet lassi.
Yeah.
You need
That's,
anything else?
no, that's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Spoiler, I'm not normally a huge biryani fan, as in I've had a few and I've had one or two good ones, but I often think they're overrated. But obviously Hyderabad is the home of biryani. Yeah, thank you. That's very nice. Beautiful. What's this one?
White rice.
Okay, nice, thank you. Oh wow, huge. Thank you. You probably can't see the size of this, but oh yeah, okay, yeah, go for it. Thank you so much. Yeah, that looks incredible. Wow, so the mutton looks almost like so soft. You can see how it almost just like melts on the spoon. And it smells, let me tell you, it smells incredibly spiced, almost like saffron. And then we've got the lassi, quite thick actually, which is good. I've had a couple of watery ones, which definitely haven't been it. Then we've got some onions. You always get raw onions with a lot of meals in India. And then these two dips. We'll give this lassi a go now. Wow, that is very good. It's not got any flavour, it's not like mango flavour or anything. It's just a sweet yogurt, but it is super refreshing. I'm sure you do not need me to describe what yogurt tastes like. I'll try and get a nice little spoonful of meat and rice as a combo. So we'll see if Paradise Biryani lives its expectations. Will it be the best biryani I've ever eaten? Let's see. Wow, so fragrant. I feel like most of the fragrance is actually on the meat, not the rice. I'd imagine that saffron is super strong though. Maybe a little bit too strong, but probably still definitely, for my guess, the nicest I've had. I'm gonna go in again. Oh wow, that lamb is just so tender. I don't know if you can probably see that, but yeah, that is incredible. Not lamb, sorry, mutton. So I've got a full plate where he served me, and there is still probably half of that pot. So this is meant for one person. First plate destroyed and I can feel it, but we're going to go in for a second. But I just got to say, I don't think you get more Hyderabad than the Charminar and a biryani all in one. This restaurant has got the absolute best place. I really don't know what could beat it, but thank you so much. I've also just ordered a dessert, which I definitely didn't need, but I've seen it on the menu, this Kabani Kamitha, and it is this picture here, which I think you'll just see. It's loads of peaches or apricots. Biryani smashed, but the dessert has arrived. And so I had a look, and it is apricots that are dried and then stewed. So they're not stewed straight away, they're dried first. You never know, might be great. Quite nice, really cold. If you ever had like a fruit salad, you can imagine it's probably a bit like that. It's yeah, incredibly sugary. I don't think I really need the full thing. I'm so full, but I will get for as much as I can. I'd rate biryani 9 out of 10. I'd rate the apricot thing maybe a 7. Oh yes, perfect. Thank you. Could I just get the bill? The bill.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. Very good.
Thank you.
Bill has come to 608 rupees. I'll put the conversion on screen, but that is actually not too bad. That is cheaper than I anticipated. And if you've been to an Indian restaurant abroad, you may have got like a mint, but it's not the same. Like these little, I don't actually know what they are, so if anyone does know, let me know. These little things that you throw in your mouth. Not as messy as that. It's like a refresher, but it is more of like a aniseedy licorice taste. So if you like that, go for it. If not, but they are very strong. We're going to get out of here. I'll just pack up my stuff and let's go back onto the streets.
A minute, so my game plan is I'm going to walk around, I'm going to speak to some people, hopefully make some friends.
I need a friend.
What's your name?
I am also creating a video in a YouTube.
Yes, yeah.
I have a 14k subscriber in YouTube,
You have more than me.
but I am not uploading a video before something for work and busy, so I am not uploading the video.
Yeah, it's okay.
What is your name?
Jack. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, bro.
Oh, okay.
Are you from Hyderabad?
No, I am from Delhi.
Oh, Delhi,
from
yes.
Delhi?
Yeah, I will come to Delhi in about like maybe 2 months.
Ah.
I'm in India for 6 months.
Oh. So you are traveling in over India?
Every state.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to visit every single state in India. So
My network is slow. I
I'll,
take a screenshot and after go to the room and check the
yes,
channel
no
and
worries.
follow.
Yes, okay, bro. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Hello, bro. Nice to meet you. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I don't speak.
How are you?
Yes, good, thank you, bro. Good. The friendliest place I've been in India so far. I mean, Kerala, they were definitely more smiley, but I would say, as a like actually approaching and speaking to you, Hyderabad is number one. People have been absolutely amazing. Hey, brother, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Muhammad Ibrahim.
Mohammed. You're Muslim?
Ibrahim, yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
You are selfie.
Yeah, okay.
Hi.
Hello, bro. You can say subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to his channel. Like, follow, share, subscribe.
You are a
I
vlogger.
think you're a vlogger.
Yes, yeah. YouTube and Instagram.
You haven't.
Yeah. I will type for you. Yeah, okay.
You're a famous vlogger.
No. Not yet.
Not yet.
You're a famous vlogger.
But will be tomorrow.
Tomorrow, maybe, yes. Oh, bro, do you know where I can find this patar kagosht?
Pattar ka gosh.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, we are following these bros to try find our next food. They seem to know where it is, so I'm going to follow them and trust them.
2 or 3 years, may I came to UK.
Yeah, you've been?
In London.
Yeah.
London or...
Ah, nice. Did you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Expensive.
Very
expensive,
Very
yeah.
expensive.
For me, also very expensive. Like, yeah.
It's the best country I have ever seen.
Oh, very nice. Thank you. I prefer India, but
Are you a citizen
uh,
of UK?
if UK, yes, yeah.
By the way, what is your professional?
I was a teacher. Teacher.
In which field?
Science.
Science.
Not anymore. I quit my job.
Oh my god.
How old are you guys?
I like your personality.
18.
Yes, I'm 18.
Nice. You are 18 also?
Yeah. I like.
How old do you think I am?
How old are you?
Yeah, take a guess.
I think 25.
26. 26. Yeah.
Have you eaten biryani?
Yes. Yeah.
Where?
Paradise.
Paradise.
Yeah.
Good. Can you speak in Hindi?
Hindi?
Yes. No.
Not much.
Just say with me.
Okay.
Baigan.
Baigan
के बाता.
Hyderabadi.
Baigan ke bata.
Baigan के बाता नहीं
Okay.
करना.
What does that mean?
नहीं करना.
Nahi karna.
Means
That means don't speak like duffer things.
the four things.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
I mean that is a Hyderabadi language.
Okay.
Baigan के बाता
Baigan ka bata.
नहीं करना.
Nahi karna. Are you making me say something bad? You sure, bro? I can. You sure? Thank you, bro.
अपने को 2 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ता है. 2 kilometers distance.
Oh, okay.
So taking
You
auto.
try 65 chicken 65.
Okay, we can try this instead. Okay. Which one's this one?
This says 200 rupees 22 pieces.
I will get this one then.
Do you like Islam? Islam religion?
I like what? Sorry.
Islamic religion.
Oh, Islamic. Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Nice.
Do you like to come to our home?
When? When?
Can you give me your contact number?
Yeah. Do you have like a WhatsApp? Because
Yes.
I don't have an Indian SIM.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so yes, okay. If you send me a message, then I will.
I will text you.
Yes, okay. Thank you, bro. Okay, thank you, bro. Nice to meet you.
Compulsory, na?
Mashallah.
Mashallah.
Mashallah. Nice.
Nice to meet you. See you later. What lovely guys have just departed, but we have got this chicken 65. What I definitely do not need because I am so full. I was actually after a different dish, which was a grilled mutton, but apparently the nearest one was about 2 kilometers away, so we have got this instead, which I believe costs 200 rupees, but there was loads of chicken, so, but I don't know how I'm actually going to finish it because I'm so full. Very nice though. Crispy. A bit like a chicken nugget, and not as spicy as you'd imagine, but a lot more like juicy, and it actually tastes like real chicken, not like some mechanically separated mush. But yeah, I rate it. So you got the green chili sauce and the red chili sauce. Let's try them. Oh wow, a bit spicy, not too bad. I'm gonna give this chicken 65. Probably, if I was actually hungry, solid 8.5 out of 10. It's really good. I don't know how this video is gonna come out because I feel like I can't walk 5 seconds without someone stopping and talking to me. It's been incredibly fun to film. There's some nice guys invited to our house, met so many people. It's definitely lived up to its name as the food capital. There is food absolutely everywhere. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.